Hello everyone, I'm back. So as I've already told you guys, a detailed video is going to come in regarding the searching and indexing problem. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I implemented or how I solved this searching and indexing problem, and what are the major steps that were involved in programming this problem. So I did it in 4 stages. So firstly, it is preprocessing of the text. The secondly, it's indexing, and thirdly, calculation of TF-IDF score, and fourthly, processing the query and giving the result. I'll show you some code. These are the stop words. Here we can see different strings, and they are really the vector. And these are the punctuation that we do not need, and we are simply going to remove them. And stemming is also one of the important concepts, because if a user is searching like sing and singing, they will get the same effect or the same result. So we are just making the searching process simple. So here we have implemented this simple stemmer logic. So we had just hard coded these 5, but this is not the optimal way, but we get the point. We just remove the suffix that are not important, so that we can get the same kind of tokens, like singing and sing, they are the same tokens. So preprocess text. So we are doing the same thing. Firstly, lowercasing everything, I told already. And this is removing the punctuations, that is, we remove this kind of symbols. And this is the tokenizer. So tokenizer, we are converting the whole string, or any if there is any text, then we are converting that whole text into a string. And now we can extract each and every words, so that we can make a single token from it. We can like build the tokens from a large text. So we did the same thing. And to remove the stop words, so stop words, so these are the stop words. So we don't need that, no extra information they are adding to the searching process. So we remove them, and I have this example. So we are going to do exactly what we were doing in the code. So firstly, we were saying that we need to get rid of stop words, because they do not add any information in searching, and we don't need extra symbols like the punctuations, and we are just going to like remove the suffix that do not add anything new or any information in the searching process. So the same way, so we are doing the same thing. Firstly, we need to lowercase each and everything. So what we'll get is, okay, now we get this kind of text. So what we need to do is, we need to find the stop words and remove them. So natural, it's not the stop word. Language processing, so is. So we have is here. So it's a stop word. We need to get rid of this. We got rid of this. So here we can see about as well. So about is gone. Cleaning, text, removing, punctuation, and needs to be here, and is gone. And so after stop words removal, we have this. All right. So second stage, we need to remove punctuation. So the symbols need to go out. So here we can see that there is this comma, we don't need comma, another comma, and this one is full stop. We don't need this. So another thing, we need to get rid of suffix that really don't add information. So ing, lyd, es, and as we have hard coded this, the complex stemmer, it works really differently. It's kind of complex, but this one is the simplest one. So here we can see is, we remove this, we remove this, we remove this, and we remove this, and okay, we remove this. So we have this here. We can see that the word length should be greater than 4, then only it works. So this is the logic, and we get this as the output. So but we haven't done the tokenization. So each and every, they are considered as tokens. Like we get natural, language, and so on. So this is the pre-processing phase. I think it's pretty clear. It's not that difficult. Just we are just removing some stuffs, and we are just like creating or like getting each and every tokens from the text. So it's simple. So this is about the pre-processing phase. Now it's time to see what output we get after running that code. So let's go and check it out. So this was my code. I already saw you guys. So what we are going to do is, let's open the terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal, and we are going to run a script where I have already like configured the script. So let's just run it now. Uh, mm, okay, so we took the same text, and the process tokens are natural language, process, clean, and you. So I think we got the same thing, right? Let's see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tokens, and we got the same. Yeah, so our code is working fine. So this is the result, or the tokens we get after pre-processing the original text. So if you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you guys really like the video, then subscribe, share, and let's meet again in the next video. Bye until the next time.